another interesting tutorial about complete guide on how to request a refund or how you get a refund successful on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's go. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Allow the app to load up. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on your profile icon right here. Getting to your profile icon, next thing you want to do is to make sure you select the particular products that you want to refund from your order section right here in your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, start over on Pinduoduo IDP, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do right here from my profile right here, I have to make sure I click on here to bring out the products that I want to refund. So here we go. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on here, access the refund process. So it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we go ahead and then click on here to state the reason why we want to ask for a refund. So right here from these options right here, I'm going to select these options, which simply means that the seller will not ship the product in time. Lastly, I will go ahead and type in the reason for the refunds right here. I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo right here, then I will go ahead and make use of my Google Translate. I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Translate. Then after opening up my Translate, Google Translate is a free app that you can easily download and install on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. For everyone using Android phone, just go to your Google Play Store and go ahead and type in Google Translate in your Android. If you are using iPhone, go to App Store, go ahead and type in Google Translate, download and install Google Translate, and open up the app. It's going to take you right here. So on getting to this point here, go ahead and set all your primary language, then why it translates to Chinese character right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you enter your text right here. So go ahead and state the reason why you're asking for refund. Seller refused to ship in time, just like so. Once you are done, go ahead and copy the Chinese character right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go back to your Pinduoduo refund process page. Click on here, paste the text. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here to submit your refund request. Just like so. The refund is being processed and it's going to be instantly, just like what you see right here. So refund done successfully. You can see the amount of the refund right here, which is 159.64 yuan. You can see a notification from Pinduoduo right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to go back. By the time I refresh this page, the product is no longer found right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here, refresh my profile. The product is no longer found right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and confirm the credit of the refund successful back to my Alipay, because I use Alipay for the payment. For that, I will go ahead and click on here, open up my Alipay app. After you open up my Alipay app, you can see a notification of 159 point something yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my message right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on notifications right here. So here we go. From the payment section, you can see refund notice right here. It's that simple. So we can easily go ahead and click on here to see the refund detail. Just like so. So you can see refund successful. And then you can see the details of the refund right here from Pinduoduo. You can see the order number right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure me from 168, start over Pinduoduo IDP, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.